What's up, my friends? Alright, so, you know, I wanted to show you the painting from the one I missed. There's a video I missed, and this was it. Super pretty. I really like, you know, especially these areas, the purples and the blues and the way they flow together, and yeah, it's awesome. And I think there's an alien guy right there. Eyeball, mouth. I like that one. And for another more slightly terrifying one, look at that. Big old creepy mouth with a nose that's all jacked up and a couple eyeballs. Whatever. This was that super failed swipe that I did. So we're going to paint over this creepy thing because well, it's creepy. And today, with our colors, we're going to do a fat cup of white, some deep violet, some cadmium yellow light hue, sap green, and then this is phthalo green mixed with cerulean blue. It's actually a really electric type of blue. I really like it, actually. It's very, very cool blue. And, of course, my signature color, phthalo blue. It's how I do Mr. Phthalo Blue. It's my favorite. And I put a couple drops of silicone in each one of these. And if you've been watching my videos long, you know I do not like silicone. But, you know, today we're going to be making an exception for that because I tried it last time and I really liked it, and so I'm going to do it again. Okay. So these pegs are way pushed in. Shouldn't be pushed in that far. Dang, that thing is creepy. Oh, man. I saw it. I was like, paint over that quick. Oh, man. Okay. Actually pull this back a little bit. Well, okay, I'm not going to mess with it. So here is our white. This is just Floetrol with an 8-ounce tube of gloss medium in it. And so let's do some of our blues, and then we're going to do our yellows and our purples last. So we're going to go from light to dark on our colors here. Wait for me, whites. And awesome, get in there. I might come back for more. Then our next blue. I love how when you pour it sometimes, here I'm going to try to pour the next one so you can see it pull it under. But sometimes I really enjoy the way the colors pull all the other ones under the other one. Here, I'll try to show you on this one. Well, it kind of did it, kind of didn't do it. I got to get it higher up, and I can't really show you guys and pour it at the same time. Maybe I'll set up like a second camera sometime just so you can see what's happening on the sideways axis. That'd be kind of cool, huh? Man, I'm a thinker. All right, and our sap green. This is just pure sap green with some Floetrol. Get in there. Oh yeah, sap green. And our cadmium yellow light hue. This is such an electric yellow. Get out, get out, get out of the cup. Very good. Okay. Get our creepy face guy. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned that, but this I'm going to be using as a corner catcher, but not really a corner catcher. Like a side thing to stop us from losing a ton off the sides, because this is a large canvas and we don't have a super fatty, big old thing here. Look, it's already starting to swell up. That's so gorgeous. I love that. Okay, ready? Ha! Kind of. Okay, so seriously? Okay. Ah, that's a lot of paint! All at once. No. Okay. Whew. Who knows? I might airbrush this one afterwards too. It's been a while since I've airbrushed a pour. Okay. Oh, don't lose too much. Did I lose too much? I hope not. No, now that way. The paint is a little bit thicker than I'm used to doing normally. And I mean, that's not really an excuse. I'm not trying to make an excuse, but I am a little bit actually. Oh my gosh! So I don't know. Y'all have seen. Her name is Pujabi. I follow her on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, hit me up. I'll make sure and follow you back. And if I found out a little while ago, I use this tool that when I follow people and they unfollow me, it tells me to unfollow them. So I found out a little while ago that it was incorrectly telling me people had unfollowed me. And so people that were legitimately still following me, I believed it. And it gave me false positives. And so if we were on Instagram and I unfollowed you and you were like, whatever, that Will guy, I really like this white, so I want to keep it. Besides, I think it's a little bit more interesting. Okay. Oh, so much paint on the... Okay. Torch. Where my torch at? Oh my goodness, seriously? Oh, there it is. Whew. Okay. Oh man, this area. I'm going to pick this up so you can see it a little bit better in a second. But this area is freaking stunning with the way that things are selling up right there. Man, there's some really good stuff. Yep, I like it. So what's funny though is there is so much there's so much like these are so much thicker than... Oh my goodness, it took me how many times to get that sentence out? But a couple of these paints are super thick. Okay, anyway, I'm going to pick this up and show you. So a couple of these paints are super thick, so I don't know if it's not breaking up. It didn't break up quite how I expect it to, and that might be because I tilted it so much. And But but that's okay as well. I'm gonna pick this up. Since I can't move my camera closer to you, I'm gonna move you. Okay, focus. Focus. It's still not catching the lacing right. Focus. You better focus. That's my thumb. Focus. Okay. Isn't that cool? I love that purple also. The way the yellow's poking up through that green right there. Yeah, some really pretty things happening on this one. I almost want to airbrush it. Anyway, you're like, yeah, let's just play. I do happen to have it right here. Oh, it's not. I gave my airbrush away to a little girl that was following me. It's so cute, seriously. So I guess let's do that. So when you're airbrushing, you find the part you like the least. And I suppose if I had to pick a part that I like the least, it would probably be over here, because I like the lines, how it kind of draws across in these kind of ways. And so I think I might do like out that way a little bit. Oh, just splattered paint on my wall. That's nice. Looks like a big old mess to me right now. That's really cool. Man, my cup is prettier than my painting. Okay, actually, yeah, I'm starting to like it more. Okay, so where are we at? We got a couple good things happening in a few places. Oh, it's so hard to decide what to lose. Okay. What? How cool is that? It looks like this part is higher than the other part. Like it's hanging over it. I like that. Whoa! What? Okay. This isn't gonna be like, I'm gonna have to nail down this this technique of doing it like this, but it does some really cool things with the lines there. Ah, really cool. Okay. Yeah, we let it be. Now we let it be. We'll see how it dries. It's kind of a mess up in this business right here. I don't know. We'll see how it dries. Anyway, I think it's gorgeous. And so I'm just going to have to do one more torch over this to get rid of any of the bubbles that we introduced when we were blowing stuff across. But I just saw a ton pop right there. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Look at my hands. Usually I'm such a clean pourer. Anyway, got mess everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I really appreciate you. Yeah. I guess that's... Words are so hard. Oh, man. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.